Okay, so moving into step 42, we need to install resistors 1 through resistor 9, R1 through R9. And so over here on the top side of the board is where we've got that. So they're kind of spread out. We've got R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, R6, 7, 8, and 9. So they're kind of spread out weird, but that's all right. And those are going to be 1K ohm resistors, which is the one we used earlier for testing. It's the brown, black, red, then gold. So brown, black, red, gold resistors. So we're going to need 9 of those. And these are going to install a little differently than we're used to. So I'm going to pull one of these resistors out. Okay, so these are going to install sitting on it. So instead of us bending it down like we normally do, with it being brown to the top, we're going to push the lead through the left side, the R1 side. So we're looking at it. We want it to be like that, to where the ceramic is closest to this side. Okay, so that goes in like that, and then we need to bend this top end over. So we can just bend it over like that out here, so that it comes down like that, and then we'll push both those through, and it sits like that, coming through. And I can still bend those at the bottom to help hold it in place. So that's R1. I'm going to do R2 now. All right. Okay, so I'm bending this over here at the top to pretty much come all the way around to there. And then I'll push both sides through R2. So that it's sitting like that. And then when we get to R4, R4 is a little different because it's sitting sideways. And when we put that in, again, we're going to keep this closest to the IC. So we'll have the ceramic on the top side up there from how we're looking. So again, I'm just bending that down and around. And then with the ceramic side kind of away from me, I'll push that in through there like that. And then we're going to just repeat that process all the way down R3, R5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. I'm going to go ahead and flip this over and solder those in right now. I kind of put it right there. Okay, so I've got those soldered in. Then I can trim off the those leads. Okay. And then I'll just proceed on and do the other 6. Okay, so now I've got all 9 resistors in for R1 through R9. And as you can see, the wire side is over here by the Qs. Those are my transistor spots. So Q1 through 9 is what we're going to be doing next. So that does it for step 42. Don't forget to be checking out the videos and submitting your assignments to Schoology. Until then, I'll see you in step 43 when we do the transistors.